Kutch, India's largest district, a kaleidoscope of culture, communities and climate, an ecological wonder with remarkable diversity, the salt desert, scrub forests, open grasslands, wetlands, as well as the longest coastline of Gujarat. Because of high climate variability and low adaptive capacity, Kutch continues to bear the brunt of climate change, and the hardest hit are the natural resource dependent communities. The journey to reverse the adverse impact of the climate change has been pioneered under the central grants of NAFCC. The project is being executed by Gir Foundation under the aegis of the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Government of India, with the Climate Change Department, Government of Gujarat, acting as the state nodal department and NABARD as the national implementing agency. A project with a cause, its primary objective is to reinforce adaptive capacity and enhance climate resilience of the target communities in a self-sustaining manner. This is being met through interventions aimed at water security, livelihood security and ecosystem restoration. Vulnerability assessment was conducted to select 32 villages from 3 distinct regions of Kutch: Khadir Island of Great Run of Kutch, coastal Abadasa and Banni grasslands. The benefits generated from the project activities have touched the lives and livelihood of more than 2,500 households already, and still counting. In the 10 villages of coastal Abadasa, 50 ponds and sagar padas have been restored so far, that have generated a total water recharge capacity of about 200 crore litres. The locals use this water primarily for their livestock and irrigation. In Banni region, 28 ponds have been constructed in 9 Vans villages. This has resulted in creation of water recharge capacity of about 24 crore litres. These ponds have become the lifeline of villagers, as they now have a reliable water source until the staunch summer months. These ponds are also improving groundwater quality and biodiversity of the region. An effort is underway to create viridas in all these ponds to ensure sweet water availability over a longer period of time. In the Khadir region, Gir Foundation has constructed 30 holius, each having a water user group of 5 farmers. Holiu is an underground water recharge cum production tube well used for irrigation, a promising game changer in the lives of these marginal farmers who were vulnerable to scanty rainfall. These holius have been able to recharge 140 crore litres of rainwater into natural aquifers to irrigate more than 450 acres of farmlands. Irrigation through holiu has assured better crop yields and has also halted years of migration of these poor farmers.
हाल गिर फाउंडेशन ખડીરના 12 ગામોમાં કામ કરી રહી છે. અહીંયાની જે પબ્લિક છે એને માઇગ્રેશન એટલે કે આ વિસ્તાર છોડીને બીજે ક્યાંય પાણી હોય ત્યાં જવું પડતું હતું, પણ હાલ આમના દ્વારા જે કામ થઈ રહ્યા છે હોલિયોના, તો એમના જેટલા લાભાર્થીઓને લાભ મળ્યો છે એમને માઇગ્રેશન કરવાની જરૂર પડી નથી.
Irrigation is being coupled with drip systems to ensure more crop per drop. Water drawal will be done by integrating off-grid solar PV pumps to offset use of diesel pumps in the region. Together, these efforts will change the irrigation landscape of Khadir for the good. Mangrove restoration in 500 hectare in coastal Abadasa has been completed under the project. Mangroves are unique helophytic plants along the intertidal zones that enrich ecosystem productivity as well as sequester carbon. Their presence along the coast has huge benefits for the coastal fishing community of Pagadiyas. The restoration sites have started showing results and will become rich mangrove forests for future. An additional 200 hectare mangrove restoration is underway. The White Run of Kutch, is adorned by large expanse of green and golden hues of native grasses of the Banni. The 600 hectare of grassland restored under the project has been reaping good results. In the year 2020, more than 6 lakh kgs of grass was collected in 2 harvest cycles. The fodder collected is reserved with the district administration for use during droughts and scarcity. Gir Foundation has dedicated 100 hectare for seed bank development, where the focus is to increase the grass diversity. Once these ecosystems will flourish, the livelihoods of the dependent communities will also improve. In the direction of securing alternate livelihoods, Gir Foundation has distributed 800 fodder seed kits and 1200 dairy utility kits to farmers of Khadir for supporting income from dairy sector. Also, a pilot-scale soil improvement measure has been undertaken, where 126 units of biochar have been distributed to the farmers. They have been trained on production of biochar and its application. For supporting fishing efforts of Pagadia fishermen, more than 225 fishing utility kits will also be distributed to the coastal beneficiaries. Kutch is popular for its handcrafted embroidery. The women of Banni and Abadasa are highly skilled in traditional embroideries and use their free time in adorning their clothes with thread and mirror works. Gir Foundation has collaborated with Garvi Gurjari to identify such women and federate them to earn from this skill. So far, 90 local women artisans of Banni have been federated, trained and are being given job work. This work shall also be undertaken for 15 women each in the 10 villages of Abadasa.
ગીર ફાઉન્ડેશન દ્વારા કરવામાં આવે છે બહેનો માટે જે ભરતમાં પહેલાં જે કામ બંધ થઈ ગયું હતું, કલા તો હતી પણ કામ ન મળતું એટલે કામ બૈરાઓ બંધ કરી નાખ્યું હતું. ફરીથી કામ ચાલુ કર્યો છે, એ અમારા માટે સારું છે.
Gir is also providing appropriate theme-based training and capacity building to the project beneficiaries through number of community-based events. The project is monitored at various levels in the district, state and central government. With sustained efforts of project authorities and Gir Foundation, the project is proving to help communities fight climate change through multi-pronged and multi-directional interventions. We envision to see a day when changing climate will no longer bring worries on the face of these people, and their needs of sustained water, fodder, livelihood and income will not have to wait.